In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Smartsheet Contacts to assign tasks, manage team members, and improve collaboration across your projects. Start by clicking your account icon in the bottom left corner of Smartsheet and select My Smartsheet Contacts. From here, you can add new contacts by entering a name and email address or import an existing contact list if you already have one. To use contacts in a sheet, right-click the column where you want to assign people and select Edit Column Properties. Change the column type to Contact List. This allows you to select contacts directly from your saved list instead of typing names manually. If multiple people need to be assigned to the same task, enable Allow Multiple Contacts per cell. You can also choose Restrict to List Values Only to ensure users can only select approved contacts. Once the column is set up, simply click a cell and choose a contact from the drop-down list. Smartsheet will automatically associate that person with the task and support notifications and automation workflows tied to the contact. Using contact columns helps keep assignments organized, reduces data entry errors, and makes collaboration much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.